Welcome back. In this session, we will see define different regions for sales order or sales documents blocking. So let me show you. For that, you go to SBRO, reference IMG. So let's come to our favorite module, sales and distribution. Okay. In that, if you come here, sales. Okay. So let's try to go to the sales documents. Okay. Define and assign regions for sales blocking. Okay. So let's see the help first. Why we require this? An example. So if you see this, so like basically you will define and assign it. That is the story. So if you wanted to block a customer, you must specify the ID blocking data for customer master record. The specification in customer master record, therefore, sales document block is valid either for all individual sales areas. Okay. So for the block customer, the relevance areas, you cannot create sales document with the sales document type if the block is valid. So like if you keep the block for particular customer, okay, suppose central block, you cannot able to create sales order any one of the sales area within that. Okay. So let's try to understand this. Okay. You cannot, but document transaction level, if you would like to keep the block, that you can able to define over here. So define, let's see this, you can better understand. Let's click this, define blocking regions, not for customers. This is for sales documents and sales document types. Okay. So you define for sales documents and you will assign it to sales document type. First define blocking regions. So like if you see this, you will have the first column, the language in S4 HANA 2020. The same thing is there almost in ECC also. You will have a sales document block and you have a description. Okay. Let's try to create a block. So let me take the language as English and block is Z1. Okay. So authorization from peers. Okay. Authorization peers, or else like let's do peers authorization. Okay. So I'm just define this block. So let's try to define one more block. Like, high value sales order. Okay. Let's try to check these two blocks. So generally what happens, there is one concept called authorizations, which is done by security team. So by using authorization object in real time, so they're like, if by default, if you keep this block also, the person who would like to remove, he cannot remove manually. So some notification through email triggers to the inbox, okay, of that particular person who authorized, maybe general manager, sales manager, or in sales lead. They can remove, then only they can able to move further to create delivery and billing. This is how it happens. So there is nothing to worry, just try to understand the basics first. It's always easy. Okay, you created these two blocks. Okay, Z1 and Z2. Now let's try to assign them blocking regions for sales document types. Okay, so if you come here, then see, so it is assigned to quotation. This is 01 block, the series service sheet. Okay, so this is assigned something like, different document, sales order, scheduling agreement. Okay, so consignment fill up, delivery free of charge, any document type, irrespective of business process where you would like to process this billing block, sorry, sales document type block, you can able to assign it. Okay, you can see standard order. Let's go to new entries. So our block is Z1. Okay, so let's come here. What is the block? Type of the block. Oh, sorry, type of the order. You can see we'll have a different kind of sales orders. So we defined okay, what is we defined our document type var, we copied it as a var, right? Let's come here. So let's try to check. Okay, credit cell, this is what we defined. So let's save this. Again, I'm doing for var. Okay, let's save this. Now let's try to check this one out. Okay, we defined a blocking for sales documents. So let me try to create a sales order now. So what is our document type? var. Okay, I'm just entering the sales area. If you press enter, okay, so let me try to enter this. Okay, so now you can able to see this, like you can able to enter the material and this particular customer. Okay, we have two different blocks, delivery block and billing block. This is different, but I would like to not allow for a particular sales area or else particular customer for this document type. How we can do? Okay, let's come to the, this is S4 HANA. Similar concept is there in ECC also. Let's come to the BP. Okay, let's click this business partner master. Okay, so now you can see there is a tab called status. Okay, let's go to the change mode. So if I don't want to allow for any other sales area, then you go for this. If you click here, you can click here. So this block. So it won't allow for all other sales areas. You can see these blocks we have defined for this, right? Your DOR document type. So let's try to understand this. Okay. Now, or else particular sales area. If any selected sales area, currently this is now in this sales area. Okay, let me try to put it this one, peer authorization for this sales area. Okay, let's save this and try to check. So let's create a sales order. Now if we enter this, see the customer IT102 has been assigned order block peer authorization. In the similar way, we want to check converse. Okay, let's go to the sales order. So you take the document type as var. Okay, now let's try to enter. So it's allowing, right? So that means whatever the blocking region you are assigned in your configuration. Okay, if you go to SPRO, let me try to check the session is opened. No, not opened. Okay, it's got killed. Let's come here now. So that customer, that particular document type, we can able to block it for all sales areas or like particular sales area. Let's come here, sales. So let's come here, sales documents. Okay. So if you come here, assign blocking regions. So ours is what? So Z1. Let's put this one. Z1 is assigned to only DOR. If you go to OR, sorry, if you go to something like OR, okay. So let me try to check this one. Okay, let's do the filter for this. So OR we have the blocking region is 301 and 3, but not Z1 and Z2. That's why it will allow you. Okay, so if you come here for OR, it allows. Whereas if you go back for Jaguar, the same customer, Jaguar, sorry. So it's not Jaguar. Jaguar also it allows. Let's go to the DOR. For this, we define the blocking region. So it will not allow you. This is how you have to create the blocks as at all sales area level or particular sales area level for not allowing for particular document type. This is how we can able to control. Let me go back and try to remove the similar concept in ECC also. Now currently I am just working for what you call S4 concepts. So that's why I'm just recording here. Okay. ECC, what happens? You will have a transaction called XD02, XD03. Okay. There you can able to find it out. So, but it might differs. It will be there in on top of node extras or something like that. Probably I might add the screenshot. Okay. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. This is how you have to control, either single sales area, all sales area level, document, particular document level block actually. Thank you very much. Have a great day.